Hello everybody, I'm Alejandro Perez here with Marina Medical, and today we're going to go over and introduce you to the VIBROFIT, which is our power-assisted liposuction unit manufactured at FAGA Medical and distributed by Marina Medical. So here we're going to start unboxing what you should be expecting out of your first VIBROFIT. Comes in these beautiful heavy-duty suitcases for protection. Here you'll open it up. You'll see a couple different type of literature stuff. The first one will be the IFU for your unit, a certificate, the serial number for your unit, and then all of the cleaning information that you'll need to be able to autoclave it and sterilize everything correctly. So some of the other stuff you should be expecting in this briefcase will be the unit itself here. You will have under the unit the handpiece cable for your handpiece. You will have the power cord to activate the system itself. You will have a couple different wrenches for cannulas and adapters. You will have the actual adapters and the centralizer. In this plastic casing, you will have your PAL handpiece here. And the last thing will be the foot pedal to help activate the pulsation and vibration onto the handpiece. And this should be everything that you would be expecting in your VIBROFIT package.